Hello everyone, Playground Cinema's mom here, and today I've got new versions of cool Lego jewelry ideas, a ring and a bracelet. I won't make a usual tutorial, I just tell you how can you do it by yourself. It's a simple ring, but it might fit if finger are rather small. It looks like this. You may use any colors of such pieces you've got. It needs only 4 parts, like this, and it's very simply connected. Just 4 pieces. Like here, like this, and you'll get a jewelry ring. And now the bracelet. It's a little bit more complicated than this one that I've shown before, but you may add here any pieces you want, like tiles of any color. Place it here, here, everywhere. But I don't have enough tiles to cover all the surfaces, so I will show you the basic. What pieces will you need for this bracelet? You will need this type of connection. They are usually gray, but they can be dark or light, as you wish, as you need. You will need them, lots of them, depends on the size of your wrist. So you will need this. I think you might understand, but okay. Then you will need a small plate 1x4 that will connect these pieces together here, and you will need the same here. Where is it? The same kind, the same color or other color, depends on what you've got. So it's like this, and then you will need small plates, 2x3, 2 of them to cover the connection. You don't need to place it here because you need to connect with the others, so it will be placed like this or even like this. And then here you will place the same connection. No, I think it depends on, it will depend, you will see, it will be and then the same connections. You will need to be very careful because it's rather flexible, but it can be broken at any time, so be careful. And then after you connected all the constructions together, you can see here, you might get this situation, and you may place a plate. I'm sorry. You may place a plate like this, or ordinary 2x4, to connect these pieces together. So, and then it's up to you how you will cover, what tiles will you use, what colors. You may put some dots or even some pieces that will symbolize something, so it will be unique bracelet for you or someone you love.